Okay, here we have the NumPy exercise notebook. The main important note I want to show you here is for some of these questions, make sure you don't run the cells directly above the example output shown. Otherwise, that ends up writing over the example output. So essentially, you just have a bunch of questions like importing NumPy as NP, creating an array of 10 zeros, create an array of 10 ones, create an array of 10 fives, and so on. And you'll notice for a lot of these, there's an example output. And the reason we have two cells is we want you to code in this cell and not code in this cell that has the output directly beneath it. Otherwise, if you were to run this cell, it would overwrite the output here. So keep that in mind. And basically, it's just a bunch of questions asking you to kind of mimic the output shown, as well as an explanation of what the output being shown is. So just keep going on, and you should be able to see the correct answer as well as the task. And for some of these where there's a random number, your results value may be different than the ones we show here just because there's random values and we don't ask you to set any specific seed for these couple of first ones. Okay, and that's it. Just go ahead and go along and do your best to answer the questions. We'll see you at the next lecture where we actually go over the solutions.